Hi, greetings, it's me, Dr. Paul Gerhardt, and this is a video on how to get your WordPress blog up and running. Yeah, I know that some of you may already have a blog, but for the purpose of this course, if you're going to be doing like affiliate marketing, you're going to need to be making sure that you find a line of products. Like in my example, I put dog products, for instance, or dog care products. Health products, if you really want to make money, really could help you. So you got to find a category that you're interested in that you can write about to be able to provide value, but also to accomplish the goals of this course. And so I went to, as you can see here at the URL at the top of the page, wordpress.com, and then I'm going to click Get Started because I want to show you how to create your WordPress blog. And you got to be thinking about a name that will attract people to buy your products or services that's available. And you're not expected to buy a domain, but you are expected to, at least for the purpose of this class, use the free version, which you could upgrade later if you decide to use what you're learning, but use the free. So click the Get Started, and it's going to come here, and it would be, what would you like the name of your site to be? Well, I'm putting together a leadership course that I'm going to be selling online. So mine is going to be Supervision and Leadership course. And what will your site be about? And so mine will be about leadership. What is the primary goal for your site? Share experiences, updates, videos, and photos. Promote your business skills. Yes, I'm going to just choose this one. Oh, offer education, training, and mentoring. Ah, perfect. That's best for me. So choose one that works for you. And I'm going to say that I'm a beginner. And I'm choosing site. So give your site an address. Enter your site's name or some keywords that I'm going to call this Supervision. So it gives me some titles that I could look for. My Supervision blog, Supervision website. Already have a domain. I do have a domain, but for the purpose of here, let's see, what's leadership and supervision. Let's see if that's available. Leadership and supervision.wordpress.com. So I'm selecting the free version of that. Clicking it. I'm going to start with the free, and if I like it, I'm going to choose to do it later. So I'm going to choose my email address. And of course, you know my email address is P. Gerhardt. I'm going to choose a password. I have to delete the password. Right now the password will be, choose a password that I will remember. And then I'm going to hit continue. So choose a different email address. This one is not available to you. So let me see if I'll use my Comcast one. See if that helps. That one's, I already did this before. Running out of options here. So that's available. I've got so many blogs out there. I got to find an email address that works. So, goodness gracious. How about I'll use my, okay, so I'll have to use that one. Remember that I used my other jobs one. Awesome. Okay, it sent me a message. So I'm going to go into my email address secretly and see if I can confirm that that is me. And so the email address looks like this. And I'm going to click it. And here I am. Your site has been created. So it's giving me some options here to upload a site icon, create a tag. So essentially you just have to follow the directions here. And so upload a site icon. What does that look like? Aha. So I'm going to hit change. It's asking me to drag one from your computer. So I'm going onto my hard drive, and I'm going to look for right now I will use a book cover that I've done. So I'm going to throw this book cover in here, and I'm going to choose it, and it says all done. Choosing it, and I continue, and so I'm hitting done. Looks good to me. And now I have something. Now I'm going to create a tagline that says leadership training online for you. And I'm not going to add a custom address right now. I'm just going to use their leadership and supervision.wordpress.com. English is fine. It's going to be public. And I'd save settings. And I'm going to do return to checklist. And it tells me I'm 5 to 7 closer, so I'm going to the next thing. It's asking me to customize this. My name, Dr. Paul Gerhardt. So, and I'm hitting done. And hitting update. So the problem with this is I got to move that picture around. I can hit preview, leadership course, training for you. Got the contact thing and the blog, home, and I am going to hit update. Of course, I could change pictures around. I could change this picture to be something else. I'm going to add something new. I'm going to go back into my images and see what kind of thumbnails that I may have to add to this. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Drop it in. All done. And set feature image. And there it is. Okay, so anyway, you have to just kind of work on each section along it. Just really look around the page to see. It kind of walks you through everything. So you really have to make sure that you are going down the list. And then it gives you the option down here to just do it. So anyway, you have to take some time on your own to really take a look at the directions that are on here. But WordPress is being used by millions of people from around the world. It's reputable. You notice that you've got buttons here for your site. You can add two things. You can add blog posts here, your menus here on the left-hand side. So really take time to play around with that, and hopefully you found this video helpful, and I appreciate you taking the time to